love them. They are so pretty. Oh, look. My scissors pick up the green in that. Oh, they're so pretty. They're gorgeous, 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 gorgeous. I'm going to put them on. I am in love with the whole concept of using a mechanical keyboard and switching out the keycaps. Where is my... It's like a newly found artistic expression for me. I got 2 keyboards to get myself started, and I'm here for it. I love it. Hopefully they will fit. So I had to try to figure out what kind of keys and switches were on the keyboards that I purchased. And I just took it from there and went with it. Let's do this. I'm just going to tell you all the truth. Sometimes it's hard for me to get under this the way I need to. Oh. Now they came off so easily the other day. And the other one... Oh. Sometimes they're hard to pull off. Who knew that this would become my favorite thing to do? Oh. I always have to use both. I always have to use both hands. Anyway, this is going to take me a while. But you see, once you get them off, they pop right on. I think I'm going to, oh, is this easier, I wonder, than this? I see people with this kind, but I've never used this. Oh, it is easier. That's way easier. And they sent that with it. Cool. It kind of reminds me of playing with Legos as a kid. Oh, they're much quieter. That's how loud that is. I don't know what the oil is for. Well, yeah, I do know what it's for. I'm not trying to be silly. It's just so far, because this is kind of new, I haven't used any oil for the switches. These are Cherry MX switches. The caps I'm taking off that came with this are KSA. I think these caps are PDA. But anyway, they have a softer, creamier sound. I have some more keycaps coming too. I've been so just enthralled in this universe of mechanical gaming keyboards for a while, but I hadn't invested in one. I mean, I do some gaming, but I'm more of a writer and an artist and all of those things. So I want my keyboards to look a certain way. I want them to be pretty. And yeah, that's my goal, my target, my plan. The shift key is bigger. I might have to keep the same shift key. It's too big. I'll cross that bridge when I get to it. I'm part of the way there. This is super cute. Because it's a peach, it doesn't look bad with just the function keys and the escape key. Because, you know, peach and peach. peach and pink go together. Hello. But I wanted to show you guys something. Let's see. Okay, maybe I'll have to zero in on it. Oh, okay. So I thought I was going to need to use two hands because, you know, I'm older, have a few hand issues. But no, all you have to do is this. So you pry this apart. This is for anyone that doesn't know. And this is why this tool, this keycap remover made with this, is better than using this. This can damage your keycaps if you aren't careful and you don't know what you're doing. I mean, it'll still pull the keycap up, but it's harder to do it with these. My opinion, my unprofessional opinion as a novice doing this. Where did it go? Okay, so with this, and you might hear my TV in the background. That's my life. So take this, make sure that you've got both ends. I'm going to try to do it. You need it to look like that, where the wire underneath, that's like in a straight line, horizontal line down at below, is all the way under the keycap. I'm pushing this tab so you can see that it's under it. And it's also under it right here. See? And then you grip and pull, and that's it. That's how these people in videos that you may have seen, if you're into this, are able to just grip and pull, and it's not hard. It like doesn't hurt my hands, anything. I have 3 different conditions going on with my hands and wrists. So if I can do it, almost anybody can. It's great fun too. I enjoy it. Once again, it reminds me of, I don't know why, Lego or building blocks, I should say. Maybe I should say their brand name in a video, but I played with them as the brand name blocks. So that's what it reminds me of in a sense. It's like, I don't know, for me, it's kind of a stress reliever for me to do this. It's pretty when you're done. It gives you a fresh new look to your keyboard. So if you are a gamer or an occasional gamer like me, but more importantly, and see, you got to make sure it's down too. That's a good illustration. So match the cherry switch T or X to this. And now it's good and on there. That's it. Or if you're just someone who uses computers a lot in your home office or just as a hobby, or if you're a writer, whatever it is that you use your computers for, it's just cute. It freshens up your decor in your room. The one I have tomorrow is more, I guess, Valentine themed. I thought they were going to both come today. They didn't. It's like pink and black, and I think it has some red. I'm not recalling all the way, but Valentine's Day is whatever you make out of it, or Valentine's week, your whole Valentine's life. It's whatever you make out of it. If you enjoy the colors red and white, or red and pink or something, that's you, do you. I love those colors too, but I also love the peaches, oranges, all those colors. So because I love those colors, I have to include something in the orange family because I really just enjoy those colors. So, you know, orange, melon, apricot, salamander, which is orange and red, anything like that, I'm here for it. I love garnet too, but that's in the red family. So anyway, I'm just enjoying this, having a wonderful night, Valentine's week. This is just what I love to do. So one way I nurture myself and kind of love myself, give some self-appreciation, is create an environment that I know I'm going to love. And so that's what I'm doing. Okay, so I have got all the caps on now that would fit. They're there weren't any caps for these or these. And no, there weren't any caps for these. There weren't any caps for these. I took these off of my other keyboard and put them there so I'd have more peach than just hot pink right next to these. These would not fit. The ones that they had for these keys are big like this, so that wasn't going to work. But still, I think it's cute. I like it. I can always get different keycaps for right here and like fun ones for here. Kind of like my dog one that I have on my other keyboard. So it's cute. I really like this. I think I'm going to enjoy it. And for Valentine's Day, it'll do for now. And, you know, later on, I will find what I need to find to replace these and probably have them in another video. And these. So what is that? 3, 6, 10. My math was not mathing right then. Hey, that rhymed. Oh, I think this is on upside down. It looks, yeah, it is. It's it's on upside down. At least it looks like it is. Yeah, much better. It's fun to catch these kind of things while you're kind of newly in this. I love it. I'll show myself typing on it later. I'm finishing with watching 90 Day Fiancé, The Single Life. I love the whole 90 Day Fiancé franchise of shows. So I'm watching the 90 Day Fiancé, The Single Life. And this is the current season with anyone else who watches. With Tim having his own love interest, Veronica having a love interest with Kimberly's son, Jamal. Initially, Kimberly was dating someone who called her Kim Bali. So if you watched early on, that's who that is. Miss Debbie, the lady from the Ukraine, not Yara, the other lady, Natalie, that used to be married to Mike. All those folks. So I'm going to finish watching that, dry dishes, and call it a night. But you know what? Even though I don't have a love interest for Valentine's Day, I'm loving this week. I'm having the best time. And I took a chloroseptic. I don't know, it might just be my brain. But somebody's grilling something or doing something that doesn't smell quite right. And I kept looking in my room because earlier I knocked something down and I just wanted to make sure I didn't spill anything. So I don't know what I'm smelling, but it doesn't smell right. And so I took a chloroseptic to kind of clear my throat. And we're just going to move on and claim health and wellness. Earlier today, I missed work because of a really bad migraine. I'm not feeling it now, so I'm hoping to work tomorrow. And yeah, that's what's going on around these parts with me. Oh, these look big. I don't know. I don't know if these will fit. Oh, wow. That's for the calculator. I wanted something that was super cute and that would remind me of Valentine's Day without being just over the top red and white. So I got these. But then I looked at them and thought maybe they wouldn't fit. We shall see. My goal in doing all of this for Valentine's wasn't just about that particular holiday, but just love in general and living my life to the fullest. Now you're going to see me attempt to remove the keycaps on this particular keyboard. And remember, I have two of them that were the same that I purchased. But And I purchased them that way with the whole goal of changing the keycaps. But I think these are cute too. I digress. I have a little doggy keycap that is so precious to me. It reminds me of my dog, and that's why I got it. And so now we're going to watch me kind of play around with this, and I'm going to show you some of what this keyboard does in the way of game lighting. Yes, I did speed up the video. And one thing about covering the keyboards with keycaps is this. So if you have someone who is sensitive to lights around you from an illness, let's say, or issues with, the brain, again, still an illness, the keycaps will cover the sum. At least that's the experience that I have, but it's just enough so that when you're alone, you still have a little bit of light coming through. But, if you don't want to overpower somebody nearby, having bigger keycaps can help mask that some. I'm not giving professional advice with that. I'm just saying this is what I've experienced. So don't take that, to the bank or anything as a solution. If you or somebody you love has health issues in which blinking lights may affect you, consult your healthcare professional. I decided to take the rest of my keys from that set that you saw, that pink heart set, and put it on this device. Oh, I love it so much. It's so cute. This is a fun way for me to do math using my devices. And I'm starting to replace the keycaps that did not fit from this set with some other keycaps that I have found. This will not be the last keycap video. I love this so much. You'll see more in the future, I promise.